Welcome to a video by Trendi Switch. Today we're going to be looking at our ceiling recessed downlights. When you order your downlight, you'll receive a box that comes as such, barcode on the side, a little bit about information about the product. If you open the lid, you will have the colour ring that you've ordered, the product, and some installation information. On removing the packaging, you will see you have the spring clips to hold the product down against your ceiling, and you're able to open the back where you'll be able to get access to the fixings, which are spring loaded, not screw down. You'll also find a switch that allows you to change the coloured light from warm white to natural white to cool white. To affix the ring, if you remove it from the packaging, place onto the fitting and turn, and it will latch as such. The product is available in over 20 colours. The spotlights are IP65 rated, so suitable for internal bathrooms. It uses strong protective spring clips to keep it attached to the ceiling. The items are fire rated and they give a flicker-free experience. If you'd like to learn more about this product, please feel free to visit www.trendyswitch.com or give us a call.